Hello friends, I am Irfana Mulla from Anna Saheb Magar Mahavidyalaya Hadapsar. First of all, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Students, in previous lecture, we have already studied the structure of nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum and the structure of Golgi apparatus, which is represented by the scientist Camillo Golgi and Dalton. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the functions of Golgi complex. This Golgi complex is present inside the cell cytoplasm. It is having two ends, cis end and trans end. Cis end is present just near the endoplasmic reticulum, which is connected to the endoplasmic reticulum, and its opposite end, that is a trans end, is present just near the plasma membrane. The structure of Golgi apparatus is present inside the cell cytoplasm. It is also called as manufacturing cum packaging and transporting unit of the cell because it involves in transportation of some material from one cell to the another cell and from endoplasmic reticulum to the another cell organelles. Okay. Now I will tell you the main functions of Golgi apparatus. First function of Golgi apparatus is secretion and packaging. That means it involves in the secretion of polysaccharide in case of goblet cell. It also involves in the formation of collagen protein in case of connective tissues, and it also involves in the formation of some another proteins in case of acinal cell of the pancreas. Now the next function, secretion of some hormones. It also involves in the process of vitellogenesis. Vitellogenesis process means the process of formation of yolk in case of egg cell. That means the yolk is the reserve food material which is used for embryonic developmental stages. Golgi apparatus is involved in cell plate formation during cell division process, that is meiosis and mitosis. It also involves in glycosylation. The glycosylation process means the addition of carbohydrate to the protein and lipids. During glycosylation process, glycoproteins and glycolipids are formed with the help of carbohydrate and protein and lipids. That means during glycosylation process, Golgi apparatus helps in the formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids. It also involves in the formation of lysosomes. Golgi apparatus is also involved in transportation of some nutrients, biomolecules from one cell organelle to the another cell organelle, that is from endoplasmic reticulum to the mitochondria or another cell organelles. Okay. Now I will tell you some another functions of Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is also called as the director of macromolecular transport because it transports some macromolecules from one cell to the another cell and from one cell organelle to the another cell organelle. So it is called as director of macromolecular transport of the cell. The Golgi